You are now watching Doorbell News.
Bronx, New York. Aha, you took the decoy. A neighbor shared this video. Phoenix, Arizona.
You don't gotta answer the door. It's okay. I see you blocked my number already. I just came by to let you know that my FanDuel parlay hit, and I'm gonna be coming by here in a few days to get all my stuff. I'm tired of the drama and moving on with my life. You can keep the old car. I don't need it no more. Have a good life.
Atlanta, Georgia. Looks like she's trying to hide from somebody.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Richmond, Virginia. So this guy breaks into the store just to steal some cookies. Queens, New York. Check her out. A neighbor shared this footage after a bear wandered inside their home. Imagine coming home seeing that guy. Anaheim, California. Better have some candy, or they're gonna take you to Chipotle.
There's Chipotle's here.
Tell them, I won't give you a burrito unless you give me candy.
Yeah. You won't get your burrito unless we get candy. I'll take that shit. Probably treat. We're holding your burrito hostage. I mostly want Chipotle. I might order Chipotle.
I have instructions. Please do not bring the Doorbell.
Oh, I already did. Oh, sorry.
It's not my fault.
It's our fault.
I'm
Sorry.
blaming on you.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
So they don't get any candy, so they end up taking a Chipotle delivery.
Happy Halloween.
Meanwhile, in Atlanta, looks like they're looking for that girl. San Diego, California. Check her out.
Before we cut cock off. You're back. You didn't do that. You're like a starfish. Oh boy, I'm gonna be really popular now because I gave him his cock back. How the girl gave you your cock back? Yeah.
Brooklyn, New York. A neighbor shared this footage after his friendly neighbor came by to return a package that was delivered to her address.
Hi, delivery to the wrong apartment.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Meanwhile in Atlanta, Anaheim, California. So this guy's wandering on this guy's property talking about he's looking for his hat. Let's see what happens.
What are you doing here, man? Drop my hat, sir. Get off my yard. Get the f*** out of here. Sure, I dropped my hat. I'm gonna call the police.
Get lost!
Yeah, you dropped your hat over here. Whatever.
Rochester, New York. What was he doing? The cha-cha slide?
Oh, it's clearly shown.
Bless you.
Anaheim, California. Check this guy out.
Would like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello? What are you doing at my door?
Yeah. Get lost! Phoenix, Arizona. Looks like we got a mail bandit here.
Yay! Good morning, it's a Kosovian super bitch here at the door. Yes, good morning, it's a Kosoviana super bitch. Hashim Fassi's granddaughter. I don't know if he knows me, but I know I am aware. He's not so Yugoslavian, he's not even Russian. He's not Cuban. So anyway, I'll tell him that I came to say thank you so much and I love my grandpa.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.